After watching this demonstration, you will be able to distribute and return tools from and to the store with the program Tool Registration. In Applications, Material Management, Stores, select Tool Registration. This program has a number of functions. You can use it to hand out tools from the tools store to technicians and workshop staff, return tools to store, hand over tools from one user to another, and produce individual tool reports. Alternatively, you can search by store and location. Double-click in the location field and select a tooling location. You can see all available tools at this location. To hand out a tool to a receiver, select the tool part number and serial number. In the upper right-hand corner of the program, you can enter the letter code of the receiver. The issue date and time are taken as the current date and time. If necessary, you can also include an expected return date and time. AMOS automatically enters the station and store. Double-click in the location field and select the tool's location. In addition, you can also enter the aircraft registration and work order number that the user may be working on, or the component maintenance CM project, in case of a workshop member of staff. Now, enter the storeman's letter code. Then select the Issue button. AMOS has now removed the selected part number from the Tools to Issue section and displays it in the Tools of Receiver section. Go to the Return to Store tab. AMOS has carried across the details. To return the tool, first, select the location to which the tool should be returned, and select the Return button. AMOS shows a pop-up informing that the selected serial number has been returned to the store. Confirm with OK. The tool is now removed from the list Tools of User. The Handover tab can be used if the tool should be handed to another technician rather than directly returned to the tool store. If you enter the code of the user and the code of the receiver on the right, AMOS displays all tools that are assigned to this user. You can select the tool that should be handed over to the receiver and select the Handover button. You can now see that the part number has been removed from Tools of User and has been added to the Tools of Receiver. Use the Tool Report tab to search for all tools within a particular location. When you double-click in the location field, you can select Location for Issue Tools and select the Load button. AMOS now displays all tools currently handed out in the location for handed out tools. You can also use this tab to check the expiry date and ensure that these tools will not be overdue whilst in the possession of technicians. Do this by selecting the Calculation Expiry button. Select a tool and use the Reminder button to send a reminder when tools need to be returned directly to technicians. Use the Toolbox tab to assemble toolboxes. How to do this is shown in a previous demonstration with the Tool History tab. You can search for the history of a particular part or serial number within a certain period. As the checkbox Only TT Bookings is selected, in this case, only tool transfer bookings will be displayed. Here you can see all of the tool bookings within the last month. Select Align with the part number and select the green arrow next to the part number field, followed by the Search button. AMOS displays only the bookings for the selected part number tool. You can use the Print button to produce a report for this particular booking. The Requirements tab produces a list of all tools with the default requirement as defined at the 4 main stations. It is possible to include other requirements and other stations, or to remove stations. In the Handout tab, the Admin Coin Tag button can be used to assign coin tag numbers to individual users. The coin tag icon can be used to switch the coin tag function on or off. The button with the barcode gives the option to print tool or due date stickers for any tools within the program. If a part is damaged or due for calibration, use the repair button to send it directly for repair.